Today we're going to change the top bit of the air filter housing on a Mini. As you can see, a previous owner hasn't had a torque screw to undo this properly, so instead they've just broken it and then repaired it with screws. So who's ever done this? First thing I'm going to do is remove this retaining clip. Next we'll undo the screws. So let's lift up the housing, see what we're looking at. Let's just slide out. Now the last part of repairing this bodge is removing these side clips, which are held in by a torque screw. So it's a T25, so it's a star shaped. That's one side out. The other side out. New top cover in. When you're putting it in, just mind the clips on the side here, so you got to push it over the tabs. Fits in. It's good to go. Reattach this clip. And the other one. And you're done.